Multiple choice question practice on software. The difficulty level is advanced. The first question of this episode: which SDLC phase involves fixing defects after deployment? Option A, maintenance. Option B, testing. Option C, development. Option D, design. We have to find out the correct option, which is an SDLC phase involves fixing defects after deployment. The correct option is A. Maintenance is the SDLC phase, which involves fixing defects after deployment. Next question. In which SDLC phase is the feasibility study conducted? A. Requirement analysis. B. Coding. C. Testing. D. Deployment. Which SDLC phase is the feasibility study conducted? Correct answer is A. Requirement analysis is the SDLC phase, which is the feasibility study conducted. Next question. Which of the following is not a software testing level? Option A, unit testing. Option B, integration testing. Option C, deployment testing. Option D, system testing. Which option is not a software testing level? C, deployment testing is not a software testing level. Next question. Which programming language is known as the mother of all languages? Option A, C. Option B, Python. Option C, Java. Option D, assembly language. Which language is known as the mother of all languages? Option A, C language. C is the programming language which is known as the mother of all languages. Next question. Which of the following is a high-level programming language? Option A, assembly language. Option B, Python. Option C, machine language. Option D, binary code. Which one is a high-level programming language? Option B, Python is a high-level programming language. Next question. Which programming paradigm focuses on objects and their interactions? Option A, procedural programming. Option B, object-oriented programming. Option C, functional programming. Option D, logic programming. Which programming paradigm focuses on objects and their interactions? Correct option is B, object-oriented programming. OOP is the programming paradigm focuses on objects and their interactions. Next question. Which of the following languages is not object-oriented? Option A, Java. Option B, C#. Option C, C. Option D, Python. Which language is not object-oriented? Option C. The language C is not object-oriented. Next question. Which language is commonly used for web development? Option A, Java. Option B, HTML. Option C, Python. Option D, SQL. Which language is commonly used for web development? Option B, HTML is the language which is commonly used for web development. Next question. Which programming language is used for querying databases? Option A, Python. Option B, C#. Option C, Java. Option D, SQL. Which programming language is used for querying databases? Option D is correct. SQL is the programming language which is used for querying databases. The last question of this episode. Which of the following is not a feature of Python? Option A, interpreted. Option B, object-oriented. Option C, low-level language. Option D, design. Which of the following is not a feature of Python? Option C, low-level language is not a feature of Python. That's the end of this episode. Thank you very much.